Oh, this is Joan of Art sitting under the pine trees of Sagada. I have a new Ilonggo expression, and that is NALINGAW. Well, the meaning of NALINGAW is entertained. I have a new hobby which is more enjoyable than strawberry picking because it's for free, and it's pine cone picking. So I just grab some pine cones and pick them. There's just tons of them here. I'm so happy already. Look, 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 look. Look, 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 look. Pine cones. More pine cones. See? Pine cones. They're so enjoyable to pick. This one is hard. Who wants some pine cones? Right now, I am so very entertained by picking pine cones. We don't have pine cones in Bacolod, so here in Sagada there are lots of them just strewn anywhere. So I'm very much entertained by this. Nalingaw ako. This is Jonah with a new expression for today. Bye for now. Like, share, and subscribe.